You are the real architect of the next generation. When you say the younger generation is architect of India, but you are the architect of the younger generation. How you develop them? I always blame teachers. I always blame institution and education system for what we are facing today. Whether in the terms of politics or in terms of communication or in journalism or parliament or whatever is situation today we are facing is because of the very defective educations we have been brought up. We have never been told the right things. Anything, basic things you read. Okay. We have today 2 lakhs unemployable MBAs in the industry. They have a diploma degrees, but the bosses of the company says that we have interviewed them. They are not employable. They can't communicate. I cannot give them job at the risk of my company. They have degrees and diploma, but they can't stand any question. They can't face any kind of crisis. They can't solve any problem. They have solved only those 6 questions in their exam and passed out. That's it. They don't know the 7th question. So this is our responsibility at an institute. Teachers or whatever institution or a management, that we are responsible for his bringing up. It's like that you are the parents. At least you are educated parents. You are not emotional parents who will accept every weakness of his child and ask him to grow the way he wants to grow. So you have and we have more responsibilities towards our children. And I'm sure that looking into the quality of the faculty members and dean here, you are also joining us the same way, the way we are also trying at Whistling Woods. And I wish you all the best. Anything from me, my side, from Nasir's side, I can tell you, we are always there to be with you, to guide, to participate, or give suggestions, except money. Thank you.
Genius, as everybody has said, is 99% perspiration. So if you want to be a genius, go ahead and shed that 99% perspiration. But don't ever apply the label to yourself. And remember that you cannot write a book unless you know the alphabet. You cannot compose a piece of music unless you can read music, unless you know music, unless it's in your veins. You cannot make a great movie unless you know the basic grammar of the job. And the trouble is, with a lot of film students, before they know the grammar, before they know the alphabet, they are intent on producing masterpieces of cosmic importance. It's important for you young, creative people to deal with the issues which matter to you, rather than to prove to the world how intelligent you are. Whether you are intelligent or not is something the world will judge in posterity. So that's all I have to say. Thank you very much for your patience.
मैं यहाँ पर आया हूँ इसलिए कि ये इंस्टीट्यूट पिछले 3-4 साल से चालू है, जिसमें जर्नलिज्म और कम्युनिकेशन एजुकेशन दिया जाता है, और अब एक टेलीविज़न विंग भी ये लोग खोलना चाह रहे हैं, एक फिल्म विंग। तो मैं जाहिर है कि एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट्स की वैल्यू का मैं बखान नहीं करूँगा, लेकिन सीधी बात यह है कि इस तरह के इंस्टीट्यूट बहुत कम हैं और जो भी इनकी मदद की जा सके उसे करना चाहिए। फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच से पहले उनको वो अल्फ़ाबेट सिखाना ज़रूरी होता है क्राफ्ट का। तो मेरे ख्याल से वो यहाँ पर बताया जाता है उन लोगों को जो उनका जो क्राफ्ट है उसके बारे में मालूमात।